Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your Subaru Ascent cabin filter. First, gather your tools, a new cabin air filter and a small flathead screwdriver. Park your Ascent on a level surface and turn off the engine for safety. Then, open the passenger side door to easily access the glove box area. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and quick replacement process, taking about 15 minutes. Next, you will need to access the filter housing. Begin by completely emptying your glove box to avoid any spills or lost items. Then, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box. This action will release the two stopper tabs, allowing the glove box to swing down freely. Once lowered, you will clearly see the cabin air filter housing behind it, ready for the next step. Now it is time to remove the old filter. Find the two small clips on the cabin filter housing cover and unlatch them. Gently pull the cover off. Carefully slide the old cabin air filter straight out from its slot. Before discarding it, take a moment to observe the airflow direction arrow printed on the old filter. This detail is crucial for installing your new filter correctly. Finally, install your new filter and reassemble everything. Insert the new cabin air filter into the slot, making sure the airflow arrow points downwards towards the floor. Snap the filter housing cover back into place, ensuring both clips are securely fastened. Lift the glove box and push it upward until the two stopper tabs re-engage, securing it. You are all done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.